Hey guys, I'm Haley Dixon from High Definition Beauty and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome and don't forget to subscribe. And in today's video, it's that time of the year, back to school shopping. So that is what we're doing today. We're going to do a little bit of shopping for supplies and maybe a little bit of makeup. So yeah, you know the drill. Let's get right into it. Whew, that was a long day. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head on over to my nearest Office Max so we can school supply shop. But first things first, the video wouldn't be complete without an OOTD. So I have this small little white top, these cute ripped jeans, and then this small little backpack because I just vibe better with a backpack instead of a purse. So let's go to Office Max. Really quick before we go, I just want to add a quick preface. I am going to college this year, so I'll be shopping for a typical college student, but I will be adding a few tips and tricks for every grade out there. So this video will still apply to you no matter what grade you're going into. So yeah, let's head on to Office Max. So we're here, and I'm just going to do like small little clips of everything that I buy, and then I'll do a full haul at the end, so stay tuned. So now that we're all set with school supplies, we cannot forget about makeup. So I'm going to head over to Ulta and put together a little back to school makeup kit for you guys. So let's go. Okay, sorry for the music in here, but I'm also loving the lighting. So to start off our little kit, we want to start with primer. So I recommend the Smashbox, and then just get the one that fits your skin type. So yeah, now moving on to foundation. Okay, and now for foundation, I recommend the Tarte Face Tape in whatever shade you are. They have such a wide range, and that's why I really like them. And then for concealer, I like the Tarte Shape Tape Day One. I think every beauty guru uses it. So yeah, perfect for back to school. Next, we have eyebrows, and I really recommend the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. It lasts like all day, like I've gone swimming and like it doesn't even come off. So yeah, definitely recommend this for back to school. And now, second to last, I recommend the They're Real Mascara for lengthy, voluminous lashes to flirt with your crush in math class. And last but not least, we have setting spray, and I recommend the Morphe one, so we can complete our look. Whew, that was a long day of shopping, but if I'm being honest, I love back to school season and like shopping for all these things and getting like cute highlighters and staples and all of that stuff. So the moment you've all been waiting for, the haul. Okay. To start off, I'm just going to go through all the boring things that aren't really as exciting. So to start off, I bought this pack of sticky notes. I was looking for forever, like trying to decide which sticky notes to buy. Do I want big ones? Do I want small ones? I ended up going with the small ones just so I can stick them on my notebook every time like I hear an assignment that's going to be due or something that I need to remember really quick. So yeah, these will come in handy. And the next thing that I got is this pack of note cards. I didn't get very many just because I'm not sure if I'm going to need them or not, but I just got them just in case. And the next thing I got is just a pack of paper because I always find myself running out. I'll tear a piece out of my notebook and then my notebook's like this thin and I don't have any paper. So I got some extra paper for that. And now moving on to the next thing, I have a staple that I buy every year. It's a must-have for going to school, in my opinion. And it is this folder right here. I get the exact same one because I only sell one. And it is a 6-pocket organizer. So there's pockets like this, and there's 6 of them. and I just assign a pocket for each class since I have 6 classes, and then I'll just put the work that's needed in there, or like the syllabus and all the stuff that's needed for that class in each pocket. So yeah. And then on top of that, I got an 8 pocket folder this year, just so I can keep this one for all the homework that's due, and then all the homework that is done in this folder, so I can keep on track of my assignments and turn them in on time. And I recommend that for really any grade, just to get in a routine of making sure all of your assignments are organized and you know exactly where they are. So the next category for this haul is notebooks. So the first one that I got is this little sketchbook, and it just has a whole bunch of blank pages, and throughout the day I like to doodle and draw, so I figured I can do that in here, or just like if I hear a homework assignment, I can also put that in this notebook. And the next one I got is this really pretty pink one, and I'm thinking about turning it into a planner. I looked at the planners at the stores and they were so expensive. I was not finna spend my coin on that. So I just got a plain pink notebook that was on clearance, and then I figured that I could just fill it up like a planner, and I'd use those sticky notes to label like the months and days and stuff like that. So yeah, customized planner, I guess. And then I got this big stack of notebooks, staple for every year. I got 2 black ones and then 3 white ones. I was going to get 3 black ones and 3 white ones for 6 classes, but I figured that I might switch it up for a class and use a composition notebook. And now we can move on to the fun part of this haul, in my opinion. I got these super cute pastel highlighters, and they're erasable, so I think we can all agree that it was a must buy. And I really do think that highlighters are an essential for school, just so you can highlight keywords or assignments or due dates or anything important that needs to stand out on your paper. And it's good to get in a range of colors just so you can color code and keep organized. I also got these Papermate pens that come in red, blue, and black. I know that teachers don't really like it when you write in any other colors, so I had to make sure that I got these. And it was a really hard decision, honestly. There were so many pens, so many prices, and these ended up being the best choice. So yeah, get your red, blue, and black pens. And lastly, for this writing utensil portion of this haul, I got this 3-pack of pencils, mechanical pencils, and these I use every year. I've used them in every grade, every class. They are the Papermate, they're like the clear ones. I think you've all seen them. So yeah, had to get these. I got them in the 2 blacks and a blue. And for the last thing in this writing utensil portion of the haul, I got this 3-pack of mechanical pencils. It's the clear ones with the erasers and the lead. So yeah, it's just like the really fancy ones that I think you've seen around school. Pencils are an essential. You can't write everything in pen, especially when it comes to math. And I get these ones every year just because I feel like I write really well with them. I've had them in every class every year, so this is a staple of mine as well. And now we have the last 4 things that I got. So I'm going to start out with this little washi tape that I got. It's in black, and this one in pink, and it has a lot of little gold dots on it. And I'm going to use this to label all my cords. It's not really a school thing, but it's more of like a college dorm thing. I'll add a clip or a picture of what I'm going to use these for right now. I saw it on Pinterest. It's just like a life hack sort of thing, so I got these at Office Max just because they were there. And then I also got this mini stapler. It's a really light purple, almost pink. Pink is my aesthetic right now, so I was a little bit disappointed that I didn't get it in pink, but we got it in purple, and it's really small, so it'll be perfect for college, just to staple your homework and then turn it in. And then I went to Target, and I found a pink one. So I got a pink one, and I figured I could keep one in my dorm and then one in my bag, just so I don't have to keep getting it out of my bag. So yeah, I got 2 staplers. And that's everything that I got. So for the end of this video, I just wanted to add a few tips and tricks for buying school supplies and school in general that I've learned over the years. And the first thing that I wanted to talk about was organization. It's really important to keep organized. You don't want to just be stuffing papers into your backpack and then you lose your homework that you worked so hard on. So folders are essential, notebooks are essential, writing down due dates is essential, so make sure you get supplies that will help you do that. And the next thing that I wanted to talk about is if you're trying to decide if you should buy something or not, I've learned over the years that it's better to have something than to not have something when you really need it. So as long as it's not too expensive, I say go for it to make sure that you have all the things that you need. And the last thing that I wanted to talk about in this video is no matter what grade you're in or what life situation you're going through, things will always get better. And I know school can get so stressful. You just need to take a step back, make sure you make time for yourself, and remember that it's okay to make mistakes. We can grow from our mistakes and become a better version of ourselves. And I believe the most important thing to remember in school and in life in general is to be yourself, stay confident, and surround yourself with positive vibes. When there's positive things around you, you are positive. But when there's negative things around you, you feel negative. Make sure you have good friends and create good vibes. And with that, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comments, and concerns, feel free to leave them down below. And if you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.